In this video, I will be showing you how to install and use Claude Code in IntelliJ IDEA. So let's get started. So here I'm inside my project. To the top we'll be having this settings icon, and also make sure that you have updated IntelliJ IDEA to the latest version. So click this. Here we will be having plugins. Select that, and in plugins just go and search for Claude Code. We'll be having so many of these available. These are from different publishers. We must only trust the one from Anthropic PBC. Click it. Here we'll be having some features what they offer. You can just go through it. Just click on install. Accept. Once it is done, just click on apply and OK. After you have done that, as you can see, we'll be having the Claude Code icon over here. Select it. I'm getting Claude is not recognized. So for this, we must install Claude Code. So just go to the Claude documentation and select it. Here, just go to overview. Here we'll be having the native installation method. So we can simply copy it and open PowerShell. So Windows PowerShell, paste it and hit enter. We will be getting setting up Claude Code, so just be patient. After some time, we'll be getting Claude Code successfully installed, and this is the location. So make sure that you're just copying it till bin. So go to search and type edit the system environment variables. Here select environment variables. Under path, under system variables, make sure that you're adding it. So after that, just click OK everywhere. And now if you open command prompt and type Claude, we'll be getting welcome to Claude. So we can simply close all these and just reopen your IntelliJ IDEA now. Now after restarting, if I just click on the Claude Code icon, as you can see, I'm not getting any errors and we are getting the exact same setup that we used to get before. So here just select the mode. You can simply use the arrow keys to move it and hit enter. And next is we need to select a login method, either by using the Claude Pro, Max, Team or Enterprise, or else the Anthropic console account, which will be built by their API. You need to have the API credits. And next is third party. So just select enter and login into it. It will redirect you to the browser and you just need to sign in with your Claude account. After that, you just need to hit enter a couple of times and you'll be getting this accessing workspace. So this is basically the exact folder location where my project is also present. So just click on yes, I trust this folder and hit enter. And that's it. We'll be getting the Claude Code right inside our terminal itself. So if we close it and terminate, and we can simply click this and open it back. So here this is exactly similar to how to use Claude Code in our normal terminal. So we can just type slash and we'll be getting all these commands with their description. For example, I will just go with the model one. So let's try changing the model, and here we are having these many models available. I will just select Haiku. Now if I type slash model, as you can see, Haiku is selected. Now let me just ask you to explain the code. I'm just having here a simple for loop. So it's going to be explain the code. That's it. After I asked it to explain the code, it just asked me which file exactly it needs to explain. So I just said main.java and it then searched and it has got the output. It has explained the for loop as well as the output. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel and a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.